Hi there, my name is Harman and I am an AI data scientist in Python. I have professional experience in machine learning, image processing, natural language processing and audio processing. I have worked on projects like chatbots and sentiment analysis and image processing like object detection and drone image processing. Furthermore, I have very strong grip on building machine learning models from scratch and also fine-tuning the already present machine learning models on our custom dataset so that we can have some robust predictions from our machine learning models. These are some of the libraries that I am already familiar with. During my professional experience, I have dealt with the clients from Canada, Russia, Malaysia, UK and few other major states. I also have worked as a technopreneurship instructor and generative AI projects evaluator at Alpha Karim Foundation. So yes, thank you for watching this.